Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle SE in the long wheelbase. This vehicle comes in the metallic paint colour Mojave Beige and comes fitted with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The Shuttle also comes with a 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox. Across the front of the vehicle is a colour-coordinated front bumper, complete with front parking sensors. The vehicle sits on the 16-inch steel wheels and comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle, the Shuttle comes with a tailgate fitted with a heated rear window. Dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors which help you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. There is a sizable amount of boot space, complete with a few lashing points. And inside the vehicle there are 2 sliding doors and all the seats are finished in the Pandu titanium black seat upholstery. Up front in the driver's cab there is a twin passenger bench with some additional underseat storage, and the vehicle comes with a few creature comforts such as the 6.3-inch colour touchscreen that has a USB and iPod interface. The vehicle also comes with navigation, and there are some excellent climate controls such as climatic air conditioning.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.